everybody. It's kind of somber day, a little sad because cloudy, but it's very warm. And it's January of 2016. Now we are going, I don't know if this is Point Pleasant or Bayhead, but I'm kind of driving around to show sometimes the biggest damages that were done during Hurricane Sandy. But if I don't catch it, that's okay. Maybe I go totally different way, which I always like to do. Always something new to show you. Okay, we know what happened in 2012. Hurricane destroyed so many homes, so many properties, so many lives in a way, so many memories, big damages. Even Prince Harry was visiting Jersey Shore. I believe he was in Seaside Heights. And I'm saying this to you because in the midst of this disaster, I was moving to Hawaii at that time. And boom, Hurricane Sandy comes. And even though we were prepared, we kind of knew what may happen, I don't think anybody was prepared to the true extent of this disaster. So the next day when I took a walk, it was like, wow, wow, and wow for many, many more months. On that day, I was sitting home in Thames River. The electricity was out, so by the fireplace, and I practiced Reiki. I embraced the home and the property by the God's energy. So I channel God's energy to the property, praying for safety. Perhaps that was a mistake. I should embrace the whole Jersey Shore. And that's a lesson learned for the next time. This time I did for the property. Nobody knew how big the damage is at that point. But the very next day, I took a walk and I couldn't believe it. Every neighborhood, every home in a neighborhood experienced some kind of a damage. Either they were the trees that they were maybe 100 years old. Huge trees with the roots up, upside down. And damaged roofs, buildings. And guess what happened to the property that I embraced with the Reiki energy? Not a one thing that was wrong with it. Not one branch fell down from the trees. And it's many trees around this house. Reiki works, but never is promising anything, because what I'm doing, I'm channeling the God's energy. It has nothing to do with the religion. Everything with the 12th dimension. And that's something that I didn't talk yet, because I'm revealing slowly so nobody is overwhelmed. Last time I talked about 11 dimensions that we're existing at the same time. The 12th dimension, and the last one, is the dimension of God, of the higher self, of the Akashic records. So when we saying we are channeling the higher self, that's exactly what we're doing. We're channeling the 12th dimension, the highest, the universal, the gods, the angels, whatever you're gonna call the higher self. And it's the best that there is. So it's always good, and boy, it worked out that time in 2012. It was proof right there, which was hard to believe the very next day. How is this possible that all those homes either lost or suffered such a severe damages, and my home that I embraced with the Reiki, God's loving, healing energy, is 100% fine? Thank you. Love you all. Kisses and hugs, and talk to you next time.